If your iPhone is in silent mode and you want it to vibrate but not ring, you can set it to only vibrate. I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we'll do is get into your settings. So open up the settings app on your iPhone. And after you've done that, we're going to scroll down until we get to the option under notifications that says sounds and haptics. Tap on that. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to see midway down is ringtone. Let's first tap on the ringtone here. So you can see at the very top is haptics. This is essentially the vibration on your iPhone. So tap on haptics and make sure this is not set to none. It can be synchronized, which is the default, or any of the other ones, but make sure it's not set to none. Now you have a couple different options here. In terms of the actual sound, you can see reflection is the default, but I can choose any of the other ones to have it play a sound when it is not on silent mode, so it will vibrate and play a sound. But if I go back out of here and I turn silent mode on, the key here is you can see midway down, it says haptics. I'm going to tap on haptics. It says haptics, which is the vibration for ringtones and alerts. Now, you can choose to have it say play in silent mode. This will ensure that it will vibrate even though your phone doesn't ring. However, you can also just set it to always play. This means essentially if you have silent mode turned on, it will not audibly ring, but it will still vibrate. And if you have silent mode turned off, it will ring and vibrate at the same time.